Alright, what the hell are you supposed to do with a can of sardines? I know some of you people are saying you should throw them in the trash, but stick around and check this video out. Show you guys how to make easy pasta. Here we go. Alright, so yeah, I got this can of tuna I got this can of sardines right here. It's packed in olive oil and it's got some lemon in there. This is the kind of thing I usually make when I'm just laying around and I don't want to make like some whack-ass top ramen or something like that. So what I'm gonna do is get some olive oil in the pan with some garlic, a little bit of cherry tomatoes, and some serrano chilies, and a little bit of lemon juice, and just saute it up. It's gonna be really fast and easy. So here we go. All right, so the prep work for this is gonna be super simple. I'm just gonna get all the ingredients I need, kind of get it ready ahead of time, and then we're gonna throw it in a pan and saute it, and by the time the pasta's cooked, we're gonna be good to go. Get the pasta of your choice. I'm using a half pound of some spaghetti right here, handful of cherry tomatoes, got the little fishies, a couple of serrano chilies for some spice, and the juice of a lemon. Also gonna throw a few cloves of garlic in there and about a tablespoon of some capers. If you don't know what capers are, they're like a briny, salty, I've heard people say that they're Mediterranean rosebud or whatever they are. I don't really know exactly. But if you like pickled things, you'll like these. And it'll go good with the lemon juice and the sardines. So throwing that in there. So I got 3 big cloves of garlic. I got some flat leaf Italian parsley. I'm gonna use a good amount of this. Whatever pasta I make, I always put a lot of parsley in there. You can always use basil, or if you want to leave it out, if you don't like it, then leave it out. All right, get a pot of water on a flame, put a little bit of salt in there. Bring this up to a boil, cook your pasta till al dente. All right, so when you think there's about 3 minutes left to go cooking your pasta, I start to add these ingredients into the pan. You're gonna put a good amount of olive oil in the bottom, coat the bottom of the pan. You watch your seasoning because there's a good amount of salt in the capers and the sardines. So I'm gonna just put like a tiny pinch of salt in there. There you go, guys. That is super good. You taste the lemon in there with the heat from the serranos, and I like the freshness of the parsley I threw in there. But obviously this isn't for everybody. A lot of people think this is kind of gross because of sardines, but like I said, go eat some top ramen. No, but seriously, like, if you like sardines, try this out. You could throw cheese in there, but I left it out. If you want to throw some Parmesan or some Pecorino, go ahead and do that. But that's it, guys. I'll put everything in the description below if you want to check out the ingredients, but this is one of those things where there's no exact ingredients, you just put whatever you like in there and kind of make it even as possible. But thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.